All right, I haven't seen anything at all that covers this on YouTube. This is a 17 Sierra. Got it a few months ago, and I wanted to let you guys hear what a normal transmission should sound like idling. I think it's a transmission. Under here, you hear that click. Got some rust, I know. Hear that? So I've had the rear main seal replaced twice. I just got this truck not too long ago and had some issues with it. Thankfully it was all covered, thanks to GMC. But that click right there had always worried me. I think it's normal. We'd love to hear y'all's comments.